guys, and welcome back to another video. So in this video I'm going to be showcasing you my gun I made. So as you can see here, this is the gun itself. I know this thing on top looks weird, but for now it's supposed to go there. Later it's going to go into the gun and I'm going to explain how it works. So the magazine, as you can see, is right here. And the magazine is literally all the handle, because like if I remove it, look at that. This is the whole magazine, and it just like comes in like right here. So let me just put it in real quick. So here, see? Just like that, and then that closes, and there we go. And that actually holds on pretty well. So the magazine holds 6 bullets. It's the small magazine. That big one I'm going to show later. So, if you can pull this in, bam, just like that, and there we go. Now it is loaded and ready to fire. So if I click the trigger right now, it will fire. So I won't do that right now. So let me just pull this out actually, and take this out. And also take the bullet out. So, if you want a tutorial on how to make the magazine, because like these two magazines are the exactly same thing except one is longer, one is shorter. So if you want a tutorial, comment down in the section below, and I'll see if I'll make one. So how does this work? Is when you put this in, it pushes a bullet through there and into there, and against the trigger release, and against it, see the orange thingy, it goes in its path. I don't know if you can see it there. See, that's me clicking the trigger, that's me releasing the trigger. So it pushes that against that, and that makes it so when you click, it actually shoots. Oh well, that wasn't supposed to happen anyways. So with the bigger one, I put it in here, same thing, closes literally exactly same way. There we go. It's just a bigger gun. So yes, this was the clip from my gun before. I changed it a bit, but whatever. So I can still pull it in. Also, this gun has something known as this like I can do something known as the double. Actually, I don't even know if it's known, but I can shoot 2 bullets once, and it's going to be about twice stronger than if shooting 1 bullet. So let me just load it here with 1 bullet for now, and let me go show you how it shoots. Okay, so I'm not on the couch right now, so I mean it'll shoot like the distance here easily. So let me just move this back a bit to the very start of the couch. And let's see if I can somehow show the whole couch to you, maybe, if that's possible. There we go. So if you can see, I'm going to be shooting it. This is 1 bullet, not 2. So let's do this. As you can see, that's not very strong, but now if you load in 1 bullet, hear that sound, and now hear it again. That's 2. That's 2 bullets loaded right there. This is going to be way stronger. 3, 2, 1. See? That's like OP. And let me just shoot all these bullets. There we go. That's 6 bullets. And now I'm going to go shoot into targets. Okay, so I'm back. I'm using the bigger magazine this time. So I'm gonna show you with 1 bullet first. Let's shoot the left one, see if I can hit it. Well, that missed. Let's try again. Actually, let's aim. See? Wait. It has aim. Yeah, so let's try that. Okay, That failed as well. Screw this, I'm doing 2 bullets. Bam! Did you see that? That was awesome. So, this next one, I'm going to shoot the middle one. I'm going to make it slow-mo. So, let's load 2 bullets here. And let's shoot it slow-mo. Oh, that was pretty nice. And now, let's do slow-mo but in close range. Are you ready? This is gonna fly back so much. There we go. Well, that was pretty fun. So let's go back to my white floor and white background. Okay, there we are. So let me just take this out. So when you want to reload, you have to take this out fully. Put it like so. And then just do that. That falls out, and then you can reload. So there's still some bullets in there, but there's not a lot. I'm gonna reload anyways. And then put it back in. So when you use 2 bullets, it flies a distance of like 5 meters with a precision of about 90%. Oh, whoops. I just 100% accidentally shot a bullet. Anyways, that will be it for the video. As I said, if you want a tutorial on how to make the gun or the magazine, then leave a link or leave a comment down in the description below, and I'll see if I'll do it. Yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed my video, and I'll see you guys next one.